Alright, let's talk about UTOGRU Whitening Toothpaste. It's been floating around online claiming to brighten your smile using nicotinamide and some natural ingredients. But is it the real deal or just another sketchy whitening trend? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. The product is mostly found on sites like Amazon where it promises to remove stains, freshen breath, and whiten teeth naturally. Sounds promising, but there's not a ton of solid feedback out there. There is no official website and no listing on Trustpilot or other known review platforms. Most of the info comes from product listings, which means you're mostly relying on short, sometimes vague customer reviews. Some say it works okay, others saw no change at all. For the final verdict, without an official source or verified review platforms, it's hard to fully trust the hype. It might not be a straight up scam, but it's definitely not a well established product either. If you are curious, maybe try it with low expectations, or better yet, stick to brands with a more transparent reputation. If you've used UTOGRU yourself, we'd love to hear what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more quick, honest reviews.